Hey YouTube, this is Williams Workshop. Another happy day here. Got a engine swap done on the log splitter. The old one, it just kicked it. It was done. Tried to replace a bunch of stuff, it's shot. Got this new Honda GCV 160 on here. The only thing I ran into was the new bolt pattern. Put it on the pressure washer stand, got it, made sure it fit, took it off the mower, and the only difference was these two bolts were the same, but this one I had to swap from this bolt hole right here to this one right here. Tightened them down. This bolt was a little too long because the threads weren't there weren't any threads where there should have been right here, a nut, so it wouldn't have tightened the whole way. Just went over to my old bolt kit, found an applicable bolt, put it in place here, tightened it on up with the 1/2 inch extension underneath, right like that. Boom. Made sure it's serviced. What else? Yep, with the coupler, you can see it easy here when you set the engine down. See that coupler? Tightened right on up. So used these Allen keys here, made sure that coupler was tight, the keyways in. I was worried about the different engines because the one I got here from the Honda off the mower had a 3-inch shaft. This one was 2. So I was worried I was gonna have to cut off part of it for it to fit in here, but it is just perfect as it is. So it worked out wonderful. Now, of course, we got to split the old piece of wood here, test it out. That's it right there, ladies and gents. Just made sure to use the right bolts. These ones fit a pressure washer because I got a couple engines for this project. Finally, this one was the right one, and these were the ones that came off the mower. So they would only go in from the underside, and I would have to drill a bigger hole in this metal. But I just went with the ones from the old Briggs here. And like I said, I used my own bolt from my kit for this side. But as you see, it fits a lot of engine patterns. So I think they accounted for this to change your engine. So just another happy fix. Now I got my work cut out for me. Gotta split this lumber here. So tune into my YouTube channel. I'll have some more videos coming up for you. Put any questions and comments about this thing, and ask me if you need help with any project. I might make a video on it. Thank you guys. Have a good day.